Have you ever wondered how the inside of a prison looks like? Well, tonight NTV reveals the deplorable state the inmates at the Manyani Maximum Security Prison in Taita Taveta County have to live in. The exclusive pictures show the bare floor where the inmates sleep. Only the privileged few have beddings. Everyone else, though, sleeps on the floor. Their belongings have to be hung precariously just above each prisoner off the ground. Some of the latrines are also open, exposing the prisoners to the dangers of a disease outbreak, especially during the current floods in the area. The prisoners are only allowed outside for a few hours of the day, and most of the surrounding is open ground, breeding ground for pest infestation. The chefs also have to make do with the available utensils that are barely usable. This is a picture of a cooking pan, or sufuria if you like. The bottom is completely torn apart and the chefs have to improvise. The Manyani Maximum Prison was used to house Mau Mau detainees in the colonial era. It was later used to hold political detainees in the post-colonial era. Despite allocations of millions of shillings to upgrade the prisons by the government, there's really very little that has changed in Manyani.
Nawekewa chakula. Ni mabati imekatwa ikawekelewa, lakini ndani ni shimo.